Hey friends, Greg here with the Pennywise guys. Today I'm going to show you another solar structure we built here for a customer. It's a dual purpose, a solar as well as, in this case, storage and parking. So let me show you the details. Let's get started. This is a rather large solar structure we built for customer. It's 54 panels total, 340 watt panels, so it's a pretty big system. We've got 3 rows of 18 panels, and it's just like our other construction. We have, I'm not going to get up on ladders because this thing is full of equipment. So you can see that it's got the same setup with the C purlins, the purlin blocks in between the posts, and we got the Z purlin and Z purlin with the gutter system. And check out our other videos, you can see detailed photos of the gutter system to divert water off. These panels are sealed with silicone, so there is no dripping inside this storage area. And you can see, if I can get out of here without catching anything, there's a trailer, there's equipment, there's a boom hoist, another forklift, another hoist. So he's got this full of equipment and storage out of the weather and out of the sun. Okay, very useful for that purpose. Let me talk to you about something I hadn't discussed before. These dual purpose structures, if you build a shop or a patio or a shade structure like this without solar, you'd be reassessed for property taxes here in California. Most states probably do that unless they don't have property taxes. But you're reassessed for the value of the structure for reassessment of taxes. But being this is a solar system, you don't get reassessed with solar taxes in California. Other states may be different, but it's a real benefit because you have to, if they notify you that they might reassess and they get some information from you and you fill out a form, don't say, hey, I built a patio and then I decided to put solar on it. Okay, then they're going to reassess you for taxes. Or if I built a shade structure for my equipment like this, or an entertainment center, whatever, or a patio, or anything, like RV cover, anything like that, they'll reassess you for property taxes. All you have to say is, I built a solar system and the structure holds the solar system. Even though it is a dual purpose, you don't have to claim that. Just say that I built a solar system, the structure is holding the solar system up, and there's no reassessment for property taxes. So that's a benefit. So check out my other videos to see how these are built. Okay, get a little more details. I use PVC pipe to hide all the DC wires, and of course then come down into the inverter, the central inverter from Fronius. It's been out in the sun for 5 years, so it's a little faded, but those things are workhorses. The company's been around since 1915. Fronius is a very solid, good company, and they build a great inverter. Okay, the customers put some solar powered lights that come on off. He put those up, and that gives him light in this area here where he unloads his trailers and equipment in the evening time. He's got lots of light to do that. So this is a very usable structure. Well, I hope this helps. Just check out other videos for the different types. Patio structures, RV covers, cantilevered structures for RV covers on the side of houses that don't have much room. Check them out. There's a lot of good designs out there. You might find one that might meet your needs, and then I will be posting my next job or two, how to build them step by step, so you can get all the tricks of the trade of how to do it. It looks kind of scary, but if you get the information on how to build them, and if you're handy, you can get some help and do it, or you can have a contractor come in and just say, this is what we want and this is how they build them, and you can have the contractor then build them for you. Okay, so this is a system that has been very much appreciated by our customers. So I hope this helps. You guys have a blessed day. I sure hope you enjoyed this video and it was a help to you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos. I pray that you are blessed
and that you know Him who is the author of life.